I love nothing more than the delicious taste and crunch of a dill pickle. Those sharp flavors bring your taste buds alive and complement nearly any meal you can think of. On the picnic table in summer or in the spread at Thanksgiving, dill pickles are a year-round favorite. If you have your own garden or belong to a CSA, you might find yourself with some extra cucumbers at the end of the year. So, what to do? Have you tried making your own dill pickles? The idea may seem daunting, but it's really quite easy. And to show you how, I'm joined by Theresa Peterson, who for years has preserved vegetables for enjoyment year-round.
Yes, Mary, they are really quite easy and they're tasty too.
Where did you get this recipe?
I got this recipe from my mom and it's really quite easy. And you can get all the ingredients locally grown.
What are the ingredients?
8 heads of dill, 4 cloves of garlic, cucumbers, 6 cups of water, 3 cups of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of canning salt.
It looks like we have all of the ingredients here. How do we get started?
First, you just take your jar, make sure it's clean. You put in 4 heads of dill, 4 cloves of garlic, and then you clean your pickles, you clean your cucumbers, you pack your jar, you have your brine going. Your brine is your vinegar, water, salt, and sugar. And when it comes to a simmer, then you pour it over the cucumbers, and then you seal it, and you leave it on the counter for 2 days. After that, you put it in the refrigerator, and you enjoy the rest of the year.
That's it?
That's it. It's that simple.
If you want to see this recipe or find a place you can buy locally grown dill, garlic, and cucumbers, go to minnesotagrown.com.